Shalom guys, this is Grandia Perez and today I'm going to teach you on how to install and uninstall applications on your mobile phone. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is open the Play Store app. And then the next thing that you're going to do is press the search button and go to the search bar. And then just simply search or type whatever application that you want to install. So the next thing that you're going to do is simply press the install button and wait for the application to download. So that's how you install apps on your mobile phone. But what about if the application that you want to install is not on Play Store? Here's what to do. So the first thing that you're going to do is go on Google and then type in the application that you want to install. Like this. And after that, a link will show up. And you're just going to click it. But you must be careful because some of the links or website is harmful and can damage your phone. After you press free download now or download app, the link of the application that you're downloading will automatically be saved in your files. After downloading, you're just going to install the app. And that is how to install applications on your mobile phone. Now that you know how to install applications on your mobile phone, I'm going to teach you on how to uninstall them by simply doing this. So the first thing that you're going to do is find the application that you want to uninstall or delete. And then long press it and simply press the uninstall button, like what I did here. And that's just it. You successfully uninstalled an app. So that's all on how to install and uninstall an application on your mobile phone. Again, I am Grandia Perez and I hope you've learned something from me. Thank you for watching!